Hello Philippines, hello world, and today it's unboxing day. This is my early regalo para sa kanila since sila naman yung may audience tayo dito. Since sila naman yung always sa kusina. So this, ang laman ng mga box ito ay magagamit natin sa kusina, and we're gonna have unboxing today. And let's start with, ano unahin natin? Ito daw unahin natin. Lika ito, mother. Sagdi na siya. Oh, sila na mag-unbox. Buksan niyo yan.
Excite.
Ano kaya sa tingin mo ang laman? Ano sa tingin mo, mother, ang laman niya?
Hindi ko alam.
Ang wala kang maghula.
Mahula ka.
Bata, wag kang maingay.
Matagal mo nang pinapangarap. Matagal mo nang pinapangarap na magkaroon ka nito.
What's that?
Is poker?
Huh?
It's a box.
Ayan. Alam, nagkakilid to.
Nani, can you say wow?
Ba siya?
Wow. Kami. Box.
It's a box. Yes.
Open. What's in the
Open.
box?
And we're gonna open the box.
Siya pa-open biyang, siya pa-abri.
Say open.
Say open.
Open.
Katawa.
Wow! What is this? It's a air fryer. What is this?
Right.
Ayan, wow. Wala, excited si mother.
Ala, perfect.
Wow.
Perfect sa Christmas.
Wow!
Asa
Wow!
Wow,
Meron
alam mo,
pang
may free
free.
sheets.
Ano? Tawag dyan.
Frying sheet.
Wow!
Ate siya. It's a... Wow. It's
Wow.
a...
This is air fryer. What is this?
Air fryer.
Wow!
Wow.
Wow!
So anong mga meron dyan na pwedeng gawin?
Wow!
Marami yung pictures natin.
Ano ba?
Yay! Yay!
Ayan guys, so pwede tayo dito mag chestnut. Ano ba chestnut? I think this is mga nuts. Toast mo. Cake, pwedeng
Clap,
cake.
clap, clap.
French fries,
Yay!
sweet potato. So mag-diet na gid kayo. Nanay, pwede mag-sweet
Nagkatawa.
potato.
Hello.
And chicken wings.
Lola.
Hello.
Hi, tita.
Hi, Tita Diva.
Alam, wag yan.
Shrimp, fish, and steaks.
Yes! Yay! Yay!
Ang maganda kasi sa air fryer, di ba? Hindi ka na kailangan pag gumamit ng oil.
Oil.
So,
meron siyang
diretso
tray
na siya
na
dito.
Frying sheets.
Ayan.
Frying sheets.
So, dito natin ilalagay. Tapos, lagyan natin dito.
Makinis na makinis pa.
Box. There's more. There's more. Ay, nara, unsa man eh.
And ito, i-ano lang. Electric. Ay, di rin siya. Mag-1.
Hi, Palaya.
Hi. Tita Diba?
Hello!
What about me? What about me?
Hi, Tita Diba?
Hi, tita. Hi, tita.
Kawit.
Lululo, matawa na.
Wow, grabe. Matagal na namin gusto magkaganito.
No, napay box mo box.
Meron pa tayong
Yay!
i-unbox.
Go mama,
the
the next box. Wow, ano kayang laman ng next box?
Ang pinakamalaking box.
Ganyan na si mother, oh. Tit, tit, tit. And the second one.
Yay!
What is this, Nani?
It's a...
It's a...
Panaugon.
Later na, wag na ako.
No, we need to open the other box.
Let's open another box.
What?
It's a toy.
Is it a toy? Is it a banana? Say open. Say open.
It's another. It's another.
Say open.
Excited? Are you excited, anak? Wait lang. Okay, here you go.
Wow! A new? That is a new heater.
Heater.
Yay, yay, 1, 2, ready, go. Yay!
Say open, and we open the box. Nani? Open.
Walang lang, oh.
Yeah,
Open na lang
yeah,
yun.
what's inside the box?
Open this.
What's inside the box?
What's inside the box?
Is it a dinosaur?
Wow, it's a
Heater.
glass heater. Wow. What can
For
you
your
say?
DD, for your DD.
Yeah, what can you say about this, Nani?
For my DD. For my DD. For my DD.
Ayan. Wow, ang ganda nito.
Uy.
Ang ganda.
Adapter.
Adapter. Pwede na nag-adapter. Oh, adapter. Ang ganda, guys.
Pwede naman dito, dili na.
Ako na dito sa tubig.
Di lamang nahugka. Lagi na.
It's
Ayun.
for your DD.
Wow. Paano ba to?
So aesthetic.
So, ganyanin lang. You will open.
Yay!
Kailangan ba itong tanggalin mo?
Mm.
Kasi malimtan, mabanggahi. Ayan. So, sa mga hindi nakakaalam dito,
Yeah, malibang ka na.
sabihan mo sa Justin na ganito yun. Hello! And the final
Down
batch!
to our last one. Wow! Open!
Are you
What's inside the box?
excited? Are you excited?
What's inside the box? It's a...
What's in the box? What could it be? Do you want to take something out with? Yes? Okay. Yeah, open the box. Very good. Let's open the box.
After this, Nanex, you will sing Jingle Bells, ha?
Okay.
Wala, kapagali na.
Oh, manaikon din ka ha. Imong mga malinay ha. Kanta din ka.
Namamas ko na po siya. Wow!
Wow.
Look, Nani, we're opening the box! Wow!
Wow, Nani.
It's another...
Wow.
Wow! It's another...
Rice cooker.
rice cooker!
Elegant rice cooker.
Wow! This is nice! Nanik, look, this is nice!
Wow!
Wow! How to open this? So, ano na siya, guys? Magpindot-pindot lang tayo dito.
Wow!
And, wow, meron siyang
freebies.
freebies. Ito, steamer. Ang kanyang freebies. Kasama na to. Sponge! Huh?
So big daw.
And itong kanyang cups. Tapos, a wire and the ladle. Ito na siya.
Dako, dako.
Sakto lang.
Alam mo yung kuwan. Kada siya.
Maganda. Ganda ah. Ganda ng kulay niya dito. Tapos, lagay lang natin yan dyan. And, let's turn on start. Tapos, ano ba to? So, pwede ka mag-porridge, fast cook, cooking, yogurt, cake. Pwede ka din ditong magprito, o rice soup, meat, pwede, keep warm. So, pwede ka din mag-init lang.
Yes.
Oo. Ayan, guys.
So that's all. That's our... You know what guys? Sa TikTok ko yan na-order and lahat yan is 3,000 pesos lang po.
Wow!
So if you want to order, punta na po kayo sa TikTok. Sa mga nagtatanong kung saan namin ito binili, sa TikTok lang po.
Ganda. Hala, excited na daw si mother mag-
Hindi gamitin na daw.
Gamitin na niya.
Maglungag na daw siya. So, ano niya siya kung idol ko kanila.
Na may manual ah.
Ay, ano, na siya.
So, dili na magtinglag kay mag pride nagkarni dia.
Siguro kung rice, preset, ano, pilihan niyo kung saan yung luto. Or menu. Or kani siguro. Huh?
So ayan, thank you so much guys. And I hope na-enjoy kayo sa aming unboxing. So before kami matapos, may mamamas ko pa muna sa inyo.
Okay, sing. Sing jingle bells.
Ready, sing. Ready, go.
Dad.
To the snow. Ha ha.
Ha?
Spirit bright. The fun is to ride and sing. The way. Oh, the fun is to ride in a one-night
Yay!
Salamat!
Si babay, si babay.
Bye-bye.
Si babay hinali. Bye-bye. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Aman na.
Bye!